Data center capacity in India has increased from approximately 375 megawatt in 2020 to 1500 megawatt by 2025, highlighting growing demand for data storage, high performance computing, and AI enabled infrastructure. What are data centers? Data centers are specialized facilities that store, manage, and process large volumes of electronic data. They house servers, storage, networking, power, and cooling systems to ensure secure, scalable, and reliable digital operations. Despite generating 20% of global data, India currently holds only 3% of global data center capacity, highlighting immense growth potential. Major centers are located in Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam, with emerging hubs in Ahmedabad, Pune, and Vijay. Drivers of growth of data center. The growth of data center capacity in India is driven by technology adoption, policy support, government initiative, and economic potential. Digital and AI expansion. Growing internet penetration, 751 million users, 52.4% in 2024. AI, 5G, and IoT are driving higher data consumption, necessitating faster, high-performance infrastructure, policy support, and data localization. Laws such as the Digital Personal Data Protection Act and RBI directives mandate local storage, boosting domestic demand. Government initiative. Programs like Digital Data and NIC operated data centers, infrastructure status for centers above 5 megawatt, and states level policies, example Maharashtra IT and ITES policy 2023, provide incentives and ease investment. Economic impact. The sector could generate over Rupee 50,000 crore in economic activity by financial year 27, creating jobs and boosting real estate. Government initiatives for data centers in India. The Government of India has undertaken multiple initiatives to strengthen the data center capacity in India and support the country's digital and AI-driven economy. AI Compute Capacity Framework. The government has onboarded 38,231 GPUs through 14 impaneled service providers and data centers, making them available at a subsidized rate of Rs 65 per hour, roughly one-third of the global average, to startups, researchers, and academic institutions. This measure directly enhances the data center capacity in India and makes high-performance computing accessible at globally competitive cost. Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Shanti Act. The Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Act facilitates the deployment of small modular and micro nuclear reactors, ensuring reliable and sustainable power supply for data centers and AI workloads, supporting the growth of data center capacity in India. Electricity infrastructure planning. With electricity demand from data centers expected to reach 13.56 gigawatt by 2031-32, the government is upgrading India's national transmission network and enabling direct power procurement from renewable sources to provide uninterrupted power for expanding data center capacity in India. Sustainable water usage guidelines. Data centers in India use large amounts of water, roughly 24 to 30 liters per kilowatt hour of IT load, mainly for cooling servers and AI equipment. The government promotes advanced cooling technologies such as direct-to-chip liquid cooling, adiabatic cooling, and immersion cooling, as well as deployment of high-density racks to minimize water and electricity use while ensuring efficient and reliable operations. Data center capacity in India significance. The expansion of data center capacity in India is crucial for supporting the country's digital economy, enhancing technological capabilities, and ensuring secure and efficient management of growing data volumes. Provide backbone infrastructure for cloud computing, AI, and high performance computing. Support secure, scalable, and efficient storage and processing of rapidly growing data. Enhance digital sovereignty through domestic data storage in line with data localization policies. Enable technological innovation by supporting startups, research, and AI applications. Strengthen national security and strategic autonomy by protecting sensitive information domestically. Challenges in expanding data center capacity in India. Despite rapid growth, the expansion of data center capacity in India faces several structural, environmental, and operational challenges that could constrain its potential. Infrastructure and regional gaps. Expansion of data center capacity in India is constrained by unreliable power supply, limited connectivity, and concentration in metro cities, which increases operational and setup cost. Environmental sustainability. Data centers consume high amounts of electricity and water, and reliance on India's coal-based grid increases carbon emissions, posing sustainability challenges for Growing data centers capacity in India, skill and security shortages, a shortage of trained professionals and rising cyber threats affect reliable operations, limiting the growth of data center capacity in India. High capital investment, large upfront cost and long playback periods make investment in data centers capacity in India challenging and can slow sector growth. Way forward to enhance data center capacity in India. To ensure sustainable growth and global competitiveness, the expansion of data center capacity in India requires strategic interventions across infrastructure, policy, regional planning, human resources, and environmental management. Infrastructure upgrade. Invest in renewable energy, expand undersea data cables, and develop a national fiber corridor to support reliable and scalable data center capacity in India. Policy and regulatory support. Simplify approval, offer tax incentives, and promote green data centers to encourage sustainable growth of data center capacity in India. Regional diversification. Establish data centers in cooler Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities like Simla, Dehradun, and Chandigarh to reduce cooling costs and promote balanced development. Human capital development. Launch training programs in AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity to build skilled manpower supporting data center capacity in India. Sustainable practices. Encourage adoption of advanced cooling technologies, water recycling, and energy efficient design to ensure eco friendly and cost efficient expansion of data centers capacity in India.